If you're curious about RoboDialog AI and wondering what all the hype is about, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll break down 7 crucial things you need to know about RoboDialog AI, the latest AI software that just hit the market. Stick around till the end. I'll also share a special way for you to try it completely free, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. First, let's talk about what RoboDialog AI is all about. This AI platform is designed to automate customer interactions, revolutionizing the way businesses handle support, marketing, and engagement. What sets it apart is its natural language processing capabilities, which make conversations feel incredibly real. Whether you're using it for customer service or sales, RoboDialog can instantly respond to queries in a way that sounds human, without robotic monotony. But here's where it gets interesting. Unlike most chatbots, RoboDialog AI doesn't just follow a script. It learns from every interaction. This means the more it's used, the smarter it gets. You can integrate it with various platforms like websites, social media, and email, making it a versatile tool for any business looking to streamline operations. Now, let's talk about the user interface. RoboDialog has a clean, intuitive design that doesn't require a PhD in tech to use. You don't need to be a developer to integrate it with your website. Its drag and drop features make setting up automated workflows incredibly simple. I've tested countless AI tools, and RoboDialog's ease of use really stands out. A major strength of RoboDialog AI is its customization options. You can tailor the AI's responses based on your brand's tone and style. Whether you're running a formal corporate site or a more laid-back e-commerce store, RoboDialog adapts seamlessly. It can handle multiple languages too, making it ideal for businesses with an international audience. One thing to keep in mind is that RoboDialog is not just for big corporations. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, the software scales with your needs. It can handle a few chats or thousands, and the performance remains impressive across the board. You might be wondering about cost, because let's be honest, AI can get expensive. But RoboDialog offers a free trial through the link in the description below, so you can test it out before committing. This is a huge benefit, especially for those who are cautious about trying new tools. It allows you to explore its full capabilities and see if it's the right fit for your business. Another big plus is RoboDialog's reporting features. The software gives you real-time insights into how your customers are interacting with the AI. You can track conversation patterns, identify pain points, and use that data to further optimize your customer experience. It's data-driven AI designed to evolve with your business. To wrap things up, RoboDialog AI isn't just a chatbot, it's a powerful customer engagement tool that's going to change how businesses operate. Whether you want to boost customer satisfaction, enhance your marketing efforts, or save time on repetitive tasks, RoboDialog AI can help you do all of that. Before you go, don't forget to check out the link in the description to try RoboDialog AI completely free. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and I've got a list of the best ones for you to try, all available in the description below. Make sure to stay tuned for more reviews on cutting-edge software. If you're looking for ways to optimize your business with AI, I've got plenty more coming your way.